So my name is Gulatawat. My nickname is Tuan. Currently, I work as a growth engineer for KBTG. So growth engineer for KBTG, we help other teams to grow their innovation or technology by utilize a lot of methodology. It could be data analytics, it could be market research, and then we come up with a new business strategy. A lot of people might confuse with growth hacking and growth engineer. So I would say growth hacking is kind of the guerrilla marketing. You don't care about the data, you just focus on the idea and how to get people to use your product and service as much as possible. While growth engineer are kind of data-driven. So my daily routine is the combination of data and business. So when talking about data, for some project, I have to maintain and monitoring the performance by using the ultimate dashboard. If there is anything strange or odd, I could inform to the teammate, and then we conduct the analysis in the deeper level. And for the business meetings, some project we just new coming project, and we have to set up the meeting, meet with a different team, try to understand the value of the product, and then we come back and figure out how to scale it. So I think the challenge of this role is we quite start from the zero. A lot of projects that we work right now is the innovation or technology. We don't have the business case yet, so sometimes we need to do a lot of extra research to find a new business case for this platform and innovation. To tackle this challenge, first of all, partnership. So sometimes we have technology or innovation and we know what they can do. But the thing is, we just have to find who need this technology to solve the problem. We reach out to relationship manager and hope that the clients have this kind of problem and they need this solution. Second thing is we use a lot of data. We jump into the KBank database and we just try to understand if there is any demand on this solution. So what I like about this job is first is data analytics, of course, because I love to work with data, and the fascinating part for me is how to transform all the numbers into the compelling story and convince other teams to trust my analysis. That's the first part. And the second part, I think I have an opportunity to learn new things every day. For example, I have 3 projects, and those 3 projects are completely different. One project might focus on driving FAU, another project might focus on product development. So this kind of the good thing working at KBTG. So the fun fact about this job is we could be easily perceived as an IT person by the title, like growth engineer. But the thing is, we are not an IT person. We are just a group of people who collaborate with IT team and business team. And again, we understand how to use data, we understand the technology, but our outcome must deliver the business value. For you guys who want to join our growth team, here's a couple of tricks that I can give to you. First, just be open-minded, and if you can show that you have hunger to learn, I think that's a good trait that we're looking for. The second thing is that if you really like working with the data and you are a collaborative person, of course, I think you are the right person to work as a growth engineer. And the last one, and I think it's highly critical, is communication skill or interpersonal skill, because of course you have to collaborate with other teams and convince them. So if you want to develop your career path into the technology industry plus financial and banking industry, I think KBTG is the right place for you. We have so many positions available, so just check on our website and find the right position for you.